Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we're giving you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. And I must say things are moving along nicely on this road. We just left the 7 miles area in Bull Bay and we're heading towards Bull Bay, the main town itself, where you have the police station and all of those things. Now this road will definitely, we're giving you an update. It's supposed to finish in December. Let's do this. And now you can see they're getting ready to pave the left side of the road. I'm not sure if they're going to put another layer of asphalt on this side, but things are definitely moving along. And there you can see where they're going to install the street lights. Where you see the bricks in the Jersey barrier, that's where the street lights are going to go. I noticed some of them, like that one doesn't have any poles sticking out, but this one has a pole sticking out. So I guess the ones where the poles are sticking out, because I can't imagine you're going to put street lights so close to each other. This one is for a street light. So the street light should start going in very soon. And over there you can see the sign for a stoplight. They have actually started to put in the stoplights now. And I really have to ask the question, why do we have so many stoplights on this road? I mean, I know it's a lot of civilian, a lot of residential areas and turns, but I mean, this is a highway. But we will keep you guys updated, and we're going to show you some of the street lights that have actually gone in already. They're not functional yet, but they've started to install them. But in terms of making the December 31st deadline, definitely this road will be finished by December this year. And that's actually the first deadline that I've heard them put out that we can say yes, they will meet it for sure. Now the deadline is for all 4 lanes to be finished by December 31st this year, 2023. And based on what we've seen, I will definitely say it is very possible. There's another sign for a stoplight. Okay, so I'm assuming the stoplight will go out here now where you see the break in the Jersey barrier. That's intentional so that they can turn, because here you can see, I guess that's the name of the area, U-turn. And that's the entrance, and here you can see the break in the Jersey barrier. There you go. You see the Jersey barrier slides down? That's intentional. That's how they symbolize the break in the Jersey barrier. Some work going on out here. Now look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Now you tell me that's not dangerous. You have a tractor. A tractor just driving across the road with... Wait, is that children in the tractor? Oh, if it wasn't bad enough that the tractor just drove across the road with a car coming, now you have children in the tractor. Yep. Some things you have to see to believe, I guess. I'm sorry that it just doesn't seem right for this. The way the tractor just goes across the road with traffic driving on the road. Oh no, guys, what do you think? Let me know what you think about it. To me, it just doesn't seem right. The tractor should cross when there is no cars on the road, or better yet, those construction workers could hold up a red flag and stop the traffic. I don't know. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong, but doesn't the detour say to go this way and the cars went that way? The arrow points this way. I know there was a lot of discussion about the signage on this road, and there's another car going that way. Well, they definitely are stuck now because a truck is coming. This is the road that the traffic going in this direction should be, as the sign clearly indicated. I'm not sure of, well, you know, it's a taxi car, so they do their own thing on the road. You're going to see them passing now. There you see, taxi. Whoa, people, with all that rain that just happened, now you tell me if it's raining at night. How do you see this? The orange thing has... There is no, this does not look safe. I mean, yes, they had the orange thing there, but okay, I guess we work with it, but it has fallen now. You come here and there's a big hole in the road right there. Alright, but progress is being made on the road. This section needs to be paved, but paving shouldn't take a long time. That can be done in 2-3 days tops. But things are definitely progressing. Now you can say when you're coming up to this hole, at least they have a cone there. The other one that we just came up on had none. There's another one. But this, we're what? Today is we have 2 weeks left in November and 4 weeks in December. So that's 6 weeks before this project is finished. And it's definitely manageable. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.